Hi, and welcome to Math 055, Elementary Algebra. I'm Rebecca Weaver. We are going to be using Edfinity as our learning management system for this semester. It's less than $20, and you can use the free ebook options. I'll probably be looking at this OpenStax Elementary Algebra for the most part, but it's always good to have a couple of options. So I gave you a few options there. Look at things by topics, but the OpenStax will probably go along with our units. You can choose a printed book if you like. These are all great books. Any edition will work. Just if you're having questions about it, just let me know, and I will see if the book that you have is suitable. So be sure and check your announcements page. Your grades are going to be kept here in Blackboard. This is where I'll keep your point totals. I'll need you to go through the Start Here section of your Blackboard course. Tells you about your Edfinity and the homework once again. The homework is available. You can start now if you like. I have listed here the technology that you're going to be using. You're going to need a graphing calculator. And you can just read through all of this. There's my email address. You'll need that. Be sure and sign up for a proctor. You're going to have proctored exams in this course. And as far as collaborates or meeting sessions, we'll do collaborate sessions if you request those of me. Be happy to do sessions either in private or with the whole class where you can just say, hey, would you work problem this and whatnot. So that's always a fun thing to do. Here's where you'll find your syllabus, of course. Click that and it'll take you straight to the syllabus. I already have mine pulled up. All right, so let's run through this just a little bit. Oh, let's see. Here's more information on Edfinity. Just the same thing again. Tells you to buy a graphing calculator. You can't use your cell phone or your tablets. That won't work. It has to be either like a TI-84 or Casio, something of that sort. I have these check-ins in the class where if you'll check in with me, you can earn a 5-point bonus for each test by just tell me how you're doing. If you ask me questions, tell me your concerns, then you'll get a 5-point bonus for each test if you'll do that. Some point, it doesn't have to be, it just has to be sometime before we have that test. So once test 1 is over, then you'll start the 5 points for test 2. And then once test 3, so you just be sure and get that 5 points because that's an easy 5 points. You'll need to not only spend 9 hours a week on the material, you also have videos to watch. And that's just an average just to get a C in the class. It's a minimum of 9 hours a week. And online math is tough. We have proctored exams in this class. Be sure that you request a proctor. I have links in the syllabus for you to be able to do that. Late work, if life happens. So if you are running late with something, send me an email. It'll count as a check-in and request that you get an assignment extended. Now, don't request any more than 3 sections at a time because it makes it so that you tend to not do it. So I just want you to request 3 at a time, and then, but you can have another 3 sections after you get those 3 sections finished. There's your grading scale, 60%. There's 6 exams, each is worth 10%. Then you have a syllabus quiz, your homework's worth 35% of your grade. And then you have a schedule here. So anyway, be sure and print that off. It gives you when all the due dates are, when the tests are due. These due dates are flexible, so just keep in contact with me and tell me how it's going. So this is an online class, and if you don't tell me how it's going, I won't know. You can get to Edfinity by clicking this link. You don't have to. You can just go to the website directly. This is just here for convenience. I have instructor videos. If you go to Unit 1, I'll be putting those videos up as we go. If you click the watch video And then you can click if you want the closed captioning, the captions.
Hello, my name is Rebecca.
There I am. And if you want the notes to the PowerPoint that go along with it, you can just click this and you will have those notes there for you to look at. Now, if you need anything, do not hesitate to email me and tell me what's going on. I'm here to help. Hopefully that helps you get started. Go to Edfinity. If you're having trouble with that, let me know. My email is rweaver10 at alaska.edu. And welcome to the class.